Welcome back to another ThredUp mystery box. We did it again, against some people's better judgment. But she didn't know I ordered it until after I ordered it, so it's all good. This time though, instead of 25 pieces of clothing, I don't know if you can see the baby Yinzer just hanging out here, but instead of 25 pieces of clothing, we got 10 pairs of shoes. 10 pairs of women's shoes. Now, I don't know if my wife's like hoping that this is gonna be like the Cinderella moment where she might be able to fit it into a pair of shoes here. We don't know the sizes, we don't know anything. I'm not even sure if I have to clean them, but we're gonna find out here in a second. So, it just came. It's probably about 10 pounds. We are into this for $6 a pair. $6 a pair. Yeah, 10 pairs of shoes, $60 shipped. So, let's see what we got. Now my wife has the Poshmark app open, so she's going to take pictures as we go, so she's going to start being my Poshmark girl here.
Wait, we're selling this on Poshmark?
I think so.
Woohoo!
Interesting. Interesting. Wow. Interesting. Oh, let's start out. We have an orange pair of
here's the match.
BCBG iteration.
Those are good shoes.
Don't put them on.
I mean, they're not in bad shape. I mean,
So they might, some of these may have been worn.
they're all worn, I think.
Yeah, Dad, look, there's a sweat mud in there.
No. Look, show the camera real quick.
Two.
A couple scuff marks.
Yes.
Now these ones are pretty worn. Dolce Vita. I don't know, they might be pretty decent shoes. They still got some life left in them. Not much, but some.
Look at the bottom.
This one's ripped. So that one might go in the trash. Yeah, trash that pair.
Okay, we're not
How's
gonna.
it ripped?
First, this whole piece.
Ooh, I see some good ones in there. I really do.
This one might be way worse than the last box we got.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Mommy!
Okay, we have a pair of boots. Tecovas?
They're all this brand.
I don't know. These ones. Tecovas. Tecovas.
Love you too.
Fine boot wears.
They're like.
I mean, right.
Teco.
VAS.
Yes. Okay.
These could definitely.
I mean, they're big. These kind of look like they're from there. Here, Bailey, put them over here. Oh, I love those shoes.
Okay, so a pair of women's.
What size are they?
Hold on. Tecovas. Were they like blue?
8.5.
Yeah, that's a good
Blue
size.
suede boots. Pre-owned 175.
What?
So that pair of boots we just showed you, she said is selling for what's it sold for though? That's what they got it listed. We can list them at 300. And
No, yeah, 300.
Sorry, we got a little excited there.
Okay.
Okay,
Brand new 200, pre-owned 129.
so we're thinking minimum of $100 on those pairs of on that pair of boots. So that pair of boots just paid for this box if it sells. Next up, and these are actually in really good shape. Audrey Brooke.
What?
Leather. What size?
I see.
These are 10Ms. They're called Abbeys.
Audrey Brooke.
Abbey. It's no. It's Abbeys, the name of the heel. Those are actually kind of nice.
Yeah, I really like
IE. ABBIE.
Do you see those? Oh,
Okay.
Really?
So wait, that's not too bad. I would have expected way more.
Oh, look at this.
Hold on.
Oh,
These.
those look actually.
I don't know what those
Put them
are.
down.
Pretty not worn at all.
Not worn?
Look at the bottoms.
Okay. Come on, guys, keep it in there. They're called Earth.
These are called Earth.
I don't know.
I can see mine.
Yeah, you can go see.
Well, you can like see both. It's just
Earthies.
These are like a nice.
Okay, here, put them over there.
They're usually just like straight, not fat, but like. No, they're usually not like.
Okay.
That longer.
Next up, we got some Sperry's.
Oh, look at the
I
bottoms.
know the inside looks a little bit more worn on this pair.
They look really like these.
9.5.
Are you sure? Yeah, 9.5.
Read that number. SP.
Women's leather upper made in Vietnam. These are actually
977 562.
they look like water shoes. Can they show the camera? Yeah. They're these shoes. And look at the bottom. They're very. Yeah, it's like not worn
Say
at all.
$15.
Yep.
Then we have some Aqua Taglia made in Italy. Pretty worn.
There's a lot of women's shoes.
AQU.
I mean, but they still look nice. Oh, are they small?
Italia.
They're really worn, but
Yeah. When you think of a women's box full of shoes, you think of high heels. Audi.
how much?
We might get, I don't know,
Oh, they might fit me.
25, 30.
Okay. And then we have a pair of
They fit me.
Tory Burch
Oh.
Mommy, look.
slip-ons.
Mine look really warm.
They're worn, but they're
Yeah, but they. These are
Tory
all.
Burch. This is a pretty black wax.
These are fun. I'll see the flat. Are you done with it, Mom?
Yep.
This is probably the smallest pair.
okay. This is a big pair.
This women's.
I don't know what.
Those Tory Burches sold for 81, pre-owned.
Okay.
Ours are a little rough shape, I'm guessing, but
These
are M Gemmy, made in Italy. They're like
They're
Odd.
they're
Oh.
They look like men's shoes when I look at them. These are very. Are those men's shoes? Maybe.
no, they're not.
Because it's women's. They're really big.
Okay.
They're good.
I'll have to do a little more.
Okay.
It sounds like someone's walking on the table.
So that was our 9th pair. Our 10th pair is a pair of Converses, size 7s.
Probably fit me.
Probably.
Decent shape.
They actually do fit me. Try this pair on. Yeah, I'm not gonna try mine.
Light pink,
Purple.
women's
They are?
Converses.
They have cat hair on them. Still good. They're worn. They're definitely pre-owned, but this tissue paper is so cute.
Maybe $15.
Okay. Well, that was everything in that box. I at the beginning, I didn't think it was going to be too great, but I think it did pretty well. The Tory Burches,
I'm wearing these ones.
the other boots that might sell for about $100, if not more. I still think we did pretty good. So, comment below if you think we did well. Comment below if you're interested in any of these shoes. And I think that might be it for this one. So, until next time, guys, remember, be kind, stay safe, stay healthy, and
Keep picking.
bye.